We all love free software, but some of these programs can seriously compromise your privacy, security, and system performance. Let's take a look at the 10 popular free programs you should never trust and avoid, and I'll also show you some safer, more reliable alternatives. Remember, using these unsafe programs could lead to data breaches, system slowdowns, and even financial loss. Let's kick things off with CapCut, a popular video editing app developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. It's definitely gained a lot of traction, but their new terms of service should be a huge warning sign for anyone creating content. By using CapCut, you agree to grant them full rights to your content, including your videos, voice, and likeness, without any compensation or the ability to revoke this grant. That means your work could be used for anything, forever. If you're serious about your content, this just isn't worth it. If you're looking for safer alternatives, Shotcut is a great beginner-friendly video editor, and DaVinci Resolve offers powerful editing tools for more advanced users. These alternatives provide the same functionality without the privacy concerns. For quick online edits, try Clipchamp, and if you're editing on your phone, InShot is a solid mobile choice. Moving on to McAfee, once one of the top names in antivirus software, but now it's more of a system resource hog than anything. It's bloated and can actually slow down your computer rather than protect it. Plus, it's often bundled with new PCs, making it hard to avoid. You're better off uninstalling it and going for something more lightweight. Instead, try Avast Free Antivirus for a reliable, efficient option that doesn't eat up your system's resources. Avast is renowned for its robust protection against malware and its minimal impact on system performance, making it a superior choice compared to McAfee. Next up is Honey, the browser extension designed to help you find coupon codes while shopping online. But there's a dark side to this seemingly helpful tool. Honey has been accused of swapping affiliate links from creators and influencers with its own, capturing commissions that should have gone to the original creator. Worse, it sometimes pushes inferior deals, and there have been instances where it failed to find the best available coupons. If you're looking for a more transparent alternative, Rakuten is a better option for cashback deals, avoiding shady business practices. Now let's talk about RealPlayer. Remember this one? It used to be a solid media player, but now it's known for bundling adware and spyware. RealPlayer collects your personal data without your consent and may install unwanted software while tracking your activity. There's really no reason to keep this on your system anymore. For a safer, ad-free experience, VLC Media Player is a fantastic alternative. It's open source, doesn't track you, and is one of the best media players out there. While we're on the topic of programs to avoid, CC Cleaner is another tool you might want to think twice about. It was once a trusted system optimizer, but it's had some major security breaches over the years. In 2017, a version of CC Cleaner was compromised with malware, affecting millions of users. It also bundles unnecessary apps and collects data without asking for permission. It's simply not worth the risk. For something safer and more privacy conscious, BleachBit is a great open source alternative that offers cleaning features without the shady practices. Now, if you're into torrents, you've probably come across a few free torrent clients. While torrenting itself isn't illegal, many free clients come bundled with malware, ads, and other unwanted software that can expose you to serious security risks. These programs can also track your activity and compromise your privacy. A safer choice is QBitTorrent. It's lightweight, open source, and doesn't come with any unwanted bloat or spyware. Let's not forget about free PDF converters, a category where a lot of programs are packed with adware and malware. They often ask you to turn off antivirus software to install them, and during the process, they may collect your personal data. Avoid these risky tools altogether. Instead, opt for Foxit PDF Reader, which is reliable, safe, and has all the features you need for viewing and editing PDFs without the threats. If you're considering antivirus software, Norton might come to mind. However, it's often bloated with unnecessary features that can slow down your PC. What was once a solid antivirus solution has now become resource heavy and inefficient. Instead of dealing with the slowdown, it's better to ditch Norton for something more efficient. I recommend Bitdefender Free Edition. It's fast, lightweight, and provides solid protection without bogging down your system. Another program you should steer clear of is WinFixer, a rogue antivirus that claims to fix system errors but employs scare tactics to persuade you to purchase a full version. It installs without your consent and is difficult to remove once it's on your system, often pushing additional malware onto your PC. A safer alternative would be Windows Defender, which is already built into Windows and offers solid protection protection without the hassle. Lastly, let's talk about free system optimizers. Many of these claim to speed up your PC, but they rarely deliver on their promises. In fact, some of them can actually slow your computer down by deleting critical files or making unnecessary changes to your system. Avoid these programs. They can do more harm than good. Instead, use the Windows built-in disk cleanup tool for a safe, efficient way to clear up storage space. If you need a more advanced tool, Wise Disk Cleaner is a lightweight and effective alternative. While free programs can save you some money, it's crucial to avoid those that compromise your privacy, security, or system performance. Always do your research before downloading and opt for safer, more reliable alternatives. This way you can make informed decisions and protect your digital life. Watch the video on screen where I'm sharing 5 excellent free AI tools that actually do more than their paid alternatives. You won't want to miss these game-changing resources. Click to watch now and discover how you can get the most out of free AI software. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Got any programs you avoid? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.